video, I'm going to show you how to make a sticky menu for a one-page website. Start by changing the CSS ID on each section that you want on your menu. And remember these IDs because you will need them later. Next, you go to the WordPress dashboard and navigate to the menu settings. Create a new menu and name it. Set this new menu to be the primary menu. And add your CSS IDs from the previous step under the custom link URL. And name it how you want it to appear on your website in the link text box. Be sure to use a pound sign and the exact CSS ID for it to function properly. And then you just save this menu and go back to your home page. Add a new section at the very top. I chose the structure to allow room for a logo and navigation. I'm going to leave the image blank for now, but you should put your logo there if you have one. And if you don't want a logo there, then you can remove it altogether. Next, you'll search for menu in the Elementor widgets and drag the navigation menu over to your section. I changed my text to black and aligned it to the right. This step's personal preference. You can do it however you want. I also changed the top padding on the menu to, I think, 20 pixels to move it down and make it look better with the logo. To make your menu sticky, give that section a CSS ID and update it, and then go back to the WordPress dashboard. Go to plugins, install a sticky menu plugin. I'm using the sticky menu on scroll plugin by Web Factory. You can use anything you want, but this is the one I'm using. After you install it and activate it, go to Settings, Sticky Menu, and enter your menu's CSS ID with the leading pound sign. Save that, and your menu should be sticky. Here, I'm just showing how to make your logo link to your page because I forgot to do that earlier. And I realized I didn't like the way the menu looked, so I changed the menu color to white. Alright, that's all for now. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.